Come on. Big crappie. Woohoo! They're here. Yes, sir. I said big crappie, but it's not that big. It's a decent one, but take 'em. Cool. That's what we were looking for, Dad. Awesome. Yes, sir. I know. I wasn't even paying attention. I was thinking about something. Yeah. No, I was reminiscing about life, I guess.
I saw that.
That's awesome. I'm glad you got that. Alright, we'll let him go. Yeah. Wasn't recording this one, but kind of same situation. Fishing the pipes and got this crappie. Kind of getting onto him. Good day. The heron over here behind me is like just watching me just with the fury. Yeah. Uh-huh. I know, bozos, yeah. Pickle. Ah, almost came off. Tried using momentum to boat flipping. Yeah. Hey guys, me and my dad got off the lake for the day. Got everything pretty much put away in the truck that needs to be there. We got the boat all tucked up, nice and neat. Probably gonna head on home and enjoy the rest of the day. We were lucky enough to get out here and enjoy a couple hours out on the water. The weather was pretty sunny. It was probably 10 degrees colder than yesterday. Yesterday was a bizarre day. It was like 66 degrees, so that'd be like making today 55 degrees or so. Yeah, it's a pretty abnormally warm winter day, which is nice, but the almost same story as yesterday is there was a pretty consistent wind throughout the whole day, and we were able to actually find some pockets that were covered, which was pretty cool. But yeah, we weren't really expecting that because at home everything seems to be all nice and still. But it is what it is. If that is the only issue, then I will take it. Other than that, like I said, me and my dad had a fantastic day. Can't wait for next time getting out here. Always a blast. And if you guys are still watching the video up to this point, if you guys could LSS, and if you guys found anything informative or useful, feel free to LSS. And again, that's like, share, subscribe. If you guys want to stay tuned to upcoming videos and future content, that would be really cool. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.